What's up, guys? This Audi R8 once sold for over $400,000. Today, we bought it for a tiny fraction of that price. Most people saw a lost cause. But in the restoration world, the biggest risks often create the biggest transformations. Let's see if this V10 supercar still has a future. The teardown begins. One thing many people don't realize is that hidden damage is often more expensive than visible damage. That's why every serious restoration starts with a complete inspection before any repairs are made. The V10 engine finally comes out. Mid-engine supercars like the R8 are significantly more difficult to service because access to major components is extremely limited. This extra complexity is one reason repair costs can become so expensive. Years of carbon buildup and wear are immediately visible. For performance engines, maintenance history can make the difference between a simple repair and a complete rebuild. And unfortunately, this engine appears to be heading toward the second option. The pistons and cylinder walls show severe wear. Many repair shops would choose a cheaper solution at this stage. However, temporary fixes on high-performance engines often lead to repeat failures. In the long run, doing the job correctly usually saves both time and money. Brand new OEM components are installed throughout the engine. Factory spec parts are typically preferred during restorations because they help maintain the original performance and reliability of the vehicle. This is where the project starts moving from repair to true restoration. the engine rebuilt, attention shifts to the exterior. A color change may seem cosmetic, but appearance plays a huge role in a vehicle's overall value and presentation. The transformation is already becoming noticeable. Even before final polishing, the paint finish looks impressive. Professional paintwork is often one of the most visible indicators of restoration quality. Small details can completely change how a vehicle is perceived. Everything is finally back together. The engine has been rebuilt. The exterior has been refreshed. The car that many considered beyond saving is now ready for a second chance. Projects like this are a reminder that restoration isn't just about fixing vehicles. It's about preserving engineering, craftsmanship, and automotive history. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, leave a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you restore this R8 or would you have walked away from it?